Have you been trying to request your tax clearance certificate, known as TCC, on Rev360 but keep running into problems? The truth is, many business owners don't realize that you cannot just click request TCC and expect it to be approved by the tax authority. It does not work that way, which is one of the common mistakes that many people are doing. There are important requirements that should have already been in place before you request for your TCC, and it will be successfully approved. In this video, I will show you exactly what you need to put in place before requesting your TCC on Rev360 portal, the common mistakes to avoid, and how to improve your chances of getting approval without unnecessary delays. Welcome to CAC Business Registration Show at Rev247, where I simplify CAC registration, Rev360, and tax compliances. Let's get started. This is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose only. Always ensure you comply with the latest NRS guidelines applicable to your businesses. So let's go straight into it. For those of us that may be wondering that why is my TCC being rejected, the reason behind this is simple. Many people make the mistake of activating their Rev360 account today and going forward that same day to request for TCC. If you are doing that, or if you've done that, or if you do that, your TCC will be rejected immediately. Reason being that, number one, that particular account is a new account that has just been created. So you can't go ahead and just create an account today and think you will request for TCC today and then boom, you will get it. My dear, it will not be approved. So that is it. It will be rejected, and most times the rejection drops instantly. So that is one thing you need to look into. Don't activate your Rev360 account today and then you go ahead to request for TCC today. Don't do that. Another thing that you need to do and put in place for you to be able to request for your TCC and it will be accepted is that before you request for any TCC on the portal, make sure you file 1 or 2 taxes on that particular portal. Yes, the portal should not be blank. The portal should not just be there without any tax that you have filed before you request for the TCC. If you did not file any tax at all on your portal, your tendency of getting your TCC approved is very slim. I am not saying if you did not file any tax on the portal, your TCC will not be approved. No, but it will give you 80 or 90% chances of approving your TCC, because that account will be seen as an active account. It will be seen that this account is active, it's not dormant. So make sure you do that to file, even if it's a new VAT on your Rev360 portal. So another thing you need to do is, if you are a company owner that had already commenced business a year ago or 2 years or 3 years ago, make sure you file those taxes before you request for your TCC. If you leave those taxes on your portal and you just go ahead to request for TCC, your TCC will be rejected immediately. Yes, so make sure if you have any CIT on your system to file, make sure you file it. And when you are talking about filing your CIT, there are two ways you can file your CIT. Your company might be new. Yes, you can also file your CIT in as much as, for example, 2025 CIT filing that the due date just ended. If you had commenced your business as of maybe November, September, April, February, or March of 2025, you are supposed to file CIT of 2025 in this year 2026 that we are in. So if you file that CIT, it will help you in most cases if you already have a year that you have not filed. So that will help when you are requesting for your TCC. And for you to file your CIT, there are two ways, as I've said earlier, that you can file your CIT. It's either you use an audited account that is being prepared by an accountant or a banker, or you use statement of affairs, SOA. So SOA can also be used to file your CIT on the Rev360 portal. Either you are a company or you are an NGO. So it depends on anywhere you belong to. That is for that. Your statement of accounts and your audited account are the two documents that you can use to file your CIT. One is for big companies, which is the audited account, and the other is for small companies, which is either a company that is newly registered or a company that has not commenced business, that they are just commencing business. So those kind of company can make use of their statements of affairs, which we call SOA. So if you need any of this, either your SOA or your audited account, feel free to use the link in the description of this video to reach out to me so as to get one for you to be able to use it to file your CIT and request for your TCC, so that your TCC will be approved on time. So after filing your CIT or your VAT or your withholding tax on your portal, and your portal is now active, you can now proceed to request for your TCC. So with this, the system will not automatically send you rejection letter from your TCC portal. Instead, the system is going to put your TCC on pending. Pending in the sense that it will be showing pending till when a tax officer has cross-checked what you filed on your system from their own end, and once they've confirmed what you filed, then your TCC will be approved. That is the best way, and the things you need to put in place so as for you to get your TCC approved. I hope I have answered this question that says, please can you do a step-by-step video on what to put in place so as to request for TCC. So with this video, with what I have explained here, you should be able to know what you need to put in place when you are about to request for your tax clearance certificate. If this video has been helpful, if you find value in this video, don't forget to like, give this video a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button and join the family. And should in case you need any further guidance or a fast tracking process for your TCC, feel free to use the link in the description box to reach out to me so as to discuss further. In my next video, I will be showing us practical steps on how we can request for the TCC that will be approved without rejection. So stay tuned and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when next I drop that video.
Welcome to Rev360 24/7, your home of great opportunity to set your business right and legally. We are here to help you navigate and build your businesses, ensuring compliance and delivering success always. We are dedicated to providing the expert support you need to take your business to a greater height. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and comment the next video you would be needing a support and guidance with in the comment section. I am Deborah Raffu, the owner and the brain behind Rev360 24/7 Consult. Thank you so much for joining me today. I truly appreciate your time and support, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Bye-bye.